In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use labels in Trello. Labels are a fantastic way to manage and organize your projects efficiently. They help you categorize tasks, making it much easier to keep track of what needs to be done and by when. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open up Trello and navigate to the board where you're working on your project. Once you're on your board, select a card that you want to edit by clicking on it. This will open up the card's detailed view, showcasing all the options available for managing that task. Once you have your card open, look for the Labels option. It should be straightforward to find, usually located among other task management options like attachments and checklists. Click on the Labels button to bring up the selection of available label colors. Now you'll see a set of colors. These colors represent different labels that you can apply to your card. Pick a color that corresponds to the category you want to assign to this task. After selecting your color, you'll notice a small pencil icon appears next to it. This pencil icon is your key to customization. Click on the pencil icon, which allows you to edit the label's name. This is your chance to give your label a meaningful name that reflects its purpose. For example, you might want to name it New if it's a new task, or something specific that aligns with your organization's workflow. Once you've decided on a name, enter it and then click on Save to apply your changes. After saving, close the label menu. This will take you back to the card's detail view, but now with your newly assigned label prominently displayed. You can immediately see how this label will help in visualizing your workflow more effectively. Next, go back to your board and repeat this process with another card. Selecting a different card and opening its options should feel quite familiar now. Click on Labels again, choose a color, click on the pencil icon, assign a meaningful name like Ongoing, and then save it. Following this same process for another card, you can also assign a label that categorizes tasks based on priority. Open the card, click on Labels, select a suitable color, click on the pencil, and give it a name like Priority. Once you've saved it, close the label menu to return to your card overview. As you get more comfortable with this process, you'll find that using labels makes your workflow much more manageable. It helps prioritize tasks effectively and group them by status, urgency, or any custom criteria you determine. With consistent use, labels will become an invaluable part of your project management toolkit in Trello. Thank you for following along. Hopefully this tutorial has made the process of using labels in Trello much clearer for you. Happy organizing!